The Karnataka High Court on Friday granted bail to actor Darshan, his friend Pavithra Gowda and 7 others in the Renukaswamy murder case. On October 30, a single-bench judge of Justice Vishwajith Shetty granted interim condition bail for 6 weeks to Darshan for treatment of a back ailment. The interim bail was extended on December 9th to facilitate his surgery. However, the surgery has been postponed and questions are being raised whether he will undergo the surgery. His fluctuating blood pressure was considered as one of the reasons for postponing the surgery in this very case. Well, Vaji continues to stay with us. Vaji, please do come on this story as well. The health ailment was the only reason why he was granted bail, or any other things were also taken into consideration by the respected court?
Well, the first bail that he got 45 days back was the bail that he got on the basis of his health condition. That was the bail on the basis of medical ground. This particular bail that Darshan has got is on the basis, is a regular bail that he has got, which coincided with the fact that he had also got an extension of the bail. Now, the reasons behind what he's got the bail is because the court observed that the statement of the accused or the victim were not recorded in time. There's a huge delay between the incident and the recording of the statement. Then they also saw that the presence of the actor Darshan and his mobile towers were not there at the spot. They were not able to establish whether it was there at the spot when the entire incident happened. And apart from that, Darshan's lawyer were able to punch holes in the entire theory or in the entire charge sheet that was created against Darshan, in which they also went on to say that Renukaswamy and the other associates of the actor knew each other, and it was not a kidnapping that happened. He came on his own accord. Nobody who comes on his own accord buys you a beer and buys you stuff and eats with you on the way. So this was something that happened on their own accord. So keeping all these points in mind and keeping in mind the health condition of the actor Darshan because of the back injury that he has, for which he had actually waived the medical bail 45 days back. Keeping that in mind, the court has given him a bail saying that you have to give a surety of 50 bond. You cannot move out of the country. There is no way in which he will influence the country. So this turns out to be a win-win situation for Darshan somewhere, because now he's got a regular bail where he has the opportunity to go back to his house, move around, meet people, speak to them, talk about other stuff. He can, for all you know, he can talk about this issue also. But for the time being, the court has told him not to speak over the issue, not to try to influence other actors, and not to try to gain sympathy for himself just because he's an actor and somebody in the powerful position. So on those basis, the bail was granted yesterday, and for all you know, he'll be free because the paperwork for the other actors, the other people who were involved, his other associates have taken time, and that might just get postponed till Monday for Darshan, because he was already out on bail and his bail had also got an extension and he was in the hospital. Things might be easy for him as he's already been granted bail.